So I guess we're celebrating the end of the VentilatorUK project, working on the Penlon programme. So we got the last ventilators shipped off a few hours ago in the great DHL truck, and yeah, it's just winding down now, closing out the programme and tying things up.
Today we are in the last day. Very exciting. So we have people here celebrating and trying to believe what's just happened actually.
Fantastic. Interrupt you, Laura. I think the truck is turning up right here. We need to capture that one as a...
We're just saying that at the beginning of the project it was hard to believe that something like this is possible to obtain and achieve. And here we are standing here today and celebrating it, so it just shows that anything is possible.
Yeah, so today we're shipping the final ventilators from VCUK, VentilatorChallengeUK. And it will be, the last shipment will be 72 ventilators being sent on the 72nd birthday of the NHS, so very accidental but appropriate. And everybody's just, I think, super excited to have delivered the number that we have. And also probably quite excited about getting some time off and getting some rest. I know I certainly am. I think the highlight, the overall highlight is just the scale of what's been achieved, and that was possible, and that we did that as a group of people coming from all sorts of different organisations with different viewpoints, different experiences, different skill sets, and somehow, without even doing any sort of icebreaker exercise or introductions, we just gelled as a team. And I think that's the most exciting thing, that things like this are possible, and that people will be, a challenge that is so important and such a clear purpose behind it, just got everybody rallied around. And I think we all feel as though we want life to be slightly different after this, having had that experience. So I think that's the best bit of the lot, what's possible.
And basically scaling up a complex medical device is a very complicated thing, and setting up multiple factories to build them, doing that in a COVID-free way, training 3,000 people in a COVID-friendly way, using fantastic virtual reality tools. I mean, I can't even begin to list the length of and the list of challenges. I mean, there's been so many of them, but there's been a fantastic team spirit where the seemingly impossible people have stepped up and delivered the goods. It's been amazing, and it's engendered an incredible team spirit amongst companies that wouldn't normally work together. Got aerospace, automotive, motorsport and others, but everybody's joined in with the same spirit, and it's been a kind of stop and nothing culture, a will do culture, and everybody's just joined in on the mission.
Yeah, it's been drop all of what you thought you cared about and focus on this, and this is your new drive and your new priority.
The biggest challenge was just how quickly we needed to get set up, and when you look at it, these kind of devices are made in the hundreds a year typically, so the whole supply chain around that is, you might have 2 or 3 suppliers in the world that make the parts you need. Yeah. So going from that and asking that small group of people to then go into the thousands in weeks, it has been a really good challenge for me.
Fantastic. The sheer pace that we needed to stand up not just the number of units, but processes and systems and tools and data, and this whole thing has had to evolve together at the same time. And just being able to react to, today, this is the biggest challenge, we've got to go and solve this problem, and then the next day there's a new challenge and a new problem you've got to go and fix. And it's just that day after day after day after day. And this has kind of shown us that actually we're pretty damn good at what we do.
Tomorrow I'm sleeping, cooking, and then I think a few of us are going to go camp somewhere remote, and yeah, have the ventilator sound playing in our heads the whole time.
I think as everyone here is sleeping, resting and just trying to realise what just happened.
But after that, I am probably going to go straight back to bed and sleep for about 3 weeks.
I think sleep and a haircut will be good, but most importantly, just spend some time with our 2 little boys.
Sleep. I'm going to get home and sleep, that's for sure. I don't think I'll be doing much tomorrow, to be perfectly honest.
To spend time with the family who have been very neglected over the last few weeks, and yeah, hopefully some sleep.